Hi boys and girls, I've got one you might like. It's written by Mo Willems. The other day we read the hot dog one. This one is called The Duckling Gets a Cookie. Hello, Scooty Scoot Scoot. May I have a cookie please? Oh, thanks. Flappy Flippy Flap. That was very nice of you. Oh, look at all those nuts. Hey, how did you get that cookie? Well, I asked for it. You asked for it? Politely. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. So, you got a cookie with nuts just by asking? Politely. I ask for things all the time. I ask to drive the bus. I ask for hot dog parties. Do I ask for candy? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, you know. I'll ask for a French fry robot every now and then. I've asked for a walrus. Right now, I'm asking why? 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 Oh, there's more. Sometimes I ask for a hug, or I'll ask for one more story. I can't count the times I've asked for my own personal iceberg. I ask to stay up late. Oh yeah, I'm the askiest pigeon in town. But do I get what I ask for? No! It's not fair. Flappy, flappy, flip. Ducklings get everything. Pigeons like cookies too, especially with nuts. Why did you get that cookie? So I could give it to you. And another thing. How about what? You're giving me that cookie? With the nuts. That is so nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Chomp. That is one cool duckling chomp. Yes, sir. Hi. May I have another cookie, please? But this time, no nuts. The end. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed the story. I hope you're staying active and having fun. And happy Saturday. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye.